Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 1, understanding how to assess the digital information needs of an organization. In today's session, we will explore the question, how can organizations improve communication and knowledge management? This video examines how effective use of digital systems can enhance the collection, storage, and sharing of information across an organization. You will discover how well-designed its solutions and digital tools can improve collaboration, support decision-making, and drive overall operational success. Digital information needs vary by organization size, structure, and goals. Identifying necessary data and its sources is crucial. Different industries require specific information types. For example, healthcare focuses on secure records, while retail prioritizes customer analytics. Understanding these needs supports informed decision-making. Assess strategic goals to align digital systems with organizational objectives. Evaluate current systems like databases and CRM tools. Identify stakeholder requirements across departments. Map data sources and flow to spot inefficiencies. Ensure compliance with legal and technological standards. Use interviews and surveys to gather staff insights. Document analysis reveals existing data usage. Process mapping highlights information bottlenecks. SWOT analysis identifies system strengths and weaknesses. Benchmarking against peers reveals best practices and gaps. Check if systems deliver accurate and timely information. Ensure accessibility for decision makers. Verify smooth integration with other systems. Assess data security and compliance. Identify gaps like slow access or limited reporting capabilities. Create a digital information needs report outlining objectives. List key users and their specific needs. Highlight system inefficiencies and recommend improvements. Establish performance metrics for digital systems. This ensures informed digital investments and enhanced performance. Organizations manage diverse digital information to support operations. Assess sources and types of information collected. Internal and external data have distinct purposes. Understanding these differences aids in judging reliability and relevance. A balanced system combines structured data with human insight. Internal sources include sales reports and employee data. CRM and HR software store valuable information. Internal data reflects actual performance and is more reliable. Proper management prevents duplication and inconsistencies. It supports monitoring progress and identifying improvement areas. External sources include data from suppliers and government bodies. They provide insights into market trends and customer expectations. Organizations use this data to guide development and strategies. External information is vital for understanding regulatory changes. It complements internal data for comprehensive analysis. Qualitative data explores opinions and behaviors. Quantitative data is numerical and measurable. Organizations use both types for comprehensive analysis. Tacit knowledge is personal and based on experience. Explicit knowledge is documented and easily shared. Organizations rely on a mix of digital and non-digital systems. Evaluate their effectiveness in supporting goals. Digital systems handle large data volumes efficiently. Non-digital systems are used for specific regulatory needs. The right mix depends on organizational requirements. Database management systems store and organize data. ERP systems integrate multiple functions into one platform. CRM tools manage customer interactions and sales leads. Cloud storage enables remote data access and collaboration. Business intelligence tools transform data into visual insights. Paper-based systems store documents in cabinets. Manual record-keeping involves books and ledgers. Face-to-face communication fosters immediate feedback. Non-digital systems are reliable for specific contexts. They are slower and less secure compared to digital systems. This is a main call out for this scene. Digital systems are ideal for efficiency and accuracy. Non-digital systems are valuable for compliance and redundancy. Effective organizations use a hybrid approach. Information must be accessible, accurate, and secure. Systems should align with organizational goals. Internal data reflects organizational performance. Stakeholders like employees generate valuable data. Information flows vertically and horizontally within organizations. An information asset register monitors key data assets. Proper management ensures compliance and data protection. External data comes from customers, suppliers, and regulators. It offers insights into market trends and legal obligations. Effective external information flow builds trust. Third parties often store or process organizational data. Assessing these sources ensures compliance and security. Internal data is reliable and controlled by the organization. External data adds context like market behavior. Combining both provides a comprehensive view. Internal systems are easier to secure. External sources require strict data protection measures. Effective management requires assessing data flows and protection. Internal sources provide operational accuracy. External sources offer valuable insights. A robust information asset register ensures compliance. Structured information flows support informed decision-making. In conclusion, enhancing its systems plays a key role in improving communication and knowledge management across an organization. A balanced approach, combining digital efficiency with the reliability of traditional methods, ensures information is managed effectively. By leveraging these systems, organizations can make informed decisions, strengthen collaboration, and maintain a competitive edge in the digital era. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to send a message via WhatsApp. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.